So before break, mainly we were discussing about the basics of IT, in which we discussed what is software, what is application, what is a web-based application, what is Windows-based application. Then we discussed about the different components involved in a web-based application, like what is interface, what is database, what are the web services, what are the servers are. So all these things that we discussed before the break, that gives us a good basic understanding, like what are the different components or different technology involved in our web-based applications. Because as a tester, it is very important that we understand what are the different things, what are the different technology involved that helping to perform the whole function on the website. Now we are going to start our purely a testing side. Like, so in this testing, our first main module is more theoretical, in which I will give you guys a basics of software testing, like what is software testing, what is its importance, why we have to do that, what are the different documentation involved. So all these, then in a second part, it's a more practical. And but here as well, in first module as well, I will give you guys assignment, and we will do practical as much as we can. So okay, what is software testing? Or let me ask you this question, like what is testing? Can anybody tell me what is testing?
Testing is a process that you want to make sure that everything or any aspect is going well.
Yep, right. I need this answer from all of you, turn by turn, whatever you know. What is testing? I think we are all genius in doing testing.
Well, I guess that's the process of evaluating prepared software to make sure that everything goes as expected and there are not any mistakes for the users that they use the application. This is my understanding.
Right. Who's next?
Basically figuring out if like some like all the steps that are needed in the process work out or not.
Mm-hmm. Right.
A process to check and make sure something is working properly.
Yes, right. Who's remaining? Laiba?
Yes, sir. So I really don't have knowledge about the software testing, but I only know that testing is something you check on to something, like to check whether it's good or no. But I'm really not sure about the software testing.
That's why my question is saying what is testing, not software testing. Shazia, Sophia?
To make sure everything is going as planned.
Okay, good. Okay, yes guys, so all of you are right. Okay, so testing we are doing in our real life, whatever the things that we are going to do. Either we are buying home, we are going to buy car, we are going to store to do a grocery. In every aspects we are doing a testing. For example, we went to the grocery, we make sure that the item is not expired, the item is not opened. Okay, item that we are buying are up to our requirement. Okay, in the same way, if you have to go to buy a car, before buying it, you guys are doing a testing on it, you guys doing a test drive, you are checking its functions, like all the required features that you guys need are inside in that or not. You are checking their design, either the dashboard design, the color of the car is according to your need or not. So in the same way, in the every aspect of the life, even you are buying home, you are doing inspection and all these. So in every aspect of the life, we are doing the testing. Okay, so I am going to give you guys the two principles of the testing that will apply in a software testing, and I think same thing we apply in our real lifetime examples as well. First is, either the product that developed by the developer or developed by the company are according to the requirement or not. As I already in the start given you guys an example, like if your client given you a project to develop the education system, and your company is developing an online store system, so that is totally opposite, that is totally wrong. That is not the client is looking for. Client told you to build something different, but the company that your company developed something different, so that is not appropriate. So first thing is we have to make sure that the specific thing or specific product that are developing by your company are according to the requirement or not. That is the very first thing we have to check as a tester. So how we make sure that it is according to the requirement or not? Definitely there is a requirement documents are there that is telling us like what the client wants inside this project or inside this product. Okay, so according to the requirement document we have to make sure that whatever it is written in the requirement document, actually we are developing the same thing or not. That is the first thing. Other thing is, okay, yes, your product is right, you guys are developing the education system, web-based application, that is absolutely fine. Second thing is, as a tester we have to make sure that all the functionalities that involved in a application are working properly or not.